Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to blow dry this long hair like that. So let me show you guys. So I'm gonna take, first you need to separate the hair a little bit. So I'm gonna separate the hair so in 3 parts. See? And then we take all this hair in our hand and we separate it. So let me show you how to blow dry the hair. So you put the big brush here and okay guys, so I'm gonna explain it now. You put your brush here, you track the hair to the back, 1, 2, go back 3, 4, and 5. And then when you are in the end, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you cool it down and you throw it. I'll repeat the treatment again so you can see it. Put the hair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you pull the hair down and it goes through. This is the way you blow dry the hair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we pull it down. So I'll repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna pull it down. And this is the result, guys. This is the result. Look how beautiful. It's really nice. Look. It's really nice blow dried hair. So I'm gonna go down so you can see it. It's a beautiful, nice blow dried hair. You see that? It's really nice. And this is the way you blow dry long hair, and this way it goes up and up. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.